Okay, here we have a Sub-Zero model 550. Refrigerator is not cold enough. It's on number 10. It's 65, 66 degrees in here. So we're going to change the thermostat because the thermostat's not working. Okay, so this is the refrigerator thermostat. I'm going to disconnect the wires. Actually, we should shut the power off first just to be safe. Now you got two capillary tubes on this thermostat. Some of the older models only had one. So this just slips into the coil and then you squeeze the fins together. This one here, you have to loosen get that out. You have to remove these screws here. This just clips into there like that. And then you're going to remove that. This is an 11/32 socket. Turn it to the off position. Remove the knob. Pull that out. Now let's go get a new thermostat. Okay, this is the right thermostat for this model. It's a 420/1260. There's instructions in here in case you need them. Put it into the off position. The newer Sub-Zeros do not use thermostats. They use computers and thermistors to control the temperature. So you only have to worry about this on the 500 series. And of course the older ones too, with the 200 and 300 series. So just unravel this very nicely, neatly. Don't kink it. This is going to go down here. And it goes into, there's usually a little clamp here that holds that in, like that. Put it on a 45-degree angle. Make sure when you tighten up the evaporator coil, you don't kink. Make sure you can move that up and down like that. You don't want to kink that tubing. Put that in like that. Okay, now this part of the control, this senses the temperature of the evaporator coil. And what you want to do is you want to stick it. This is where it was before. It was through the coil. And you want to kind of get it so that you squeeze it between these fins. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Alright, let's get it in there like that. Take your wiring. You hook up your ground to the chassis of the thermostat. These two go on. Be careful, this one over here, this is a ground. You don't want to hook up these hot wires to there. You got to put this in like that. And this one goes in like this. Okay, this is the ground. That one over there is also a ground. Just got a different kind of terminal on it. Put the knob back on. Just you take this excess capillary tubing here and just okay, so I have this little needle nose pliers and I have a hole, I think it's a 1/8 hole drilled through here just for this particular installation, because what this does is it crimps the fins and locks in the capillary tube so it doesn't come out. You can make one of these for practically nothing. Alright, so then I'm going to put this cover back on, line it up. We can push this up behind the cover like that. Okay, now we'll hook up the power. Okay, just came on. Fan's running. Put a thermometer in here. You can check it later on. That's it. That's how you change a thermostat on a 500 series refrigerator thermostat. We'll have another video on how to change the freezer. Thanks for watching.